Hey beauties, Elise here, Global Pro here at Too Faced, and it is our 20th birthday. Happy birthday to us. We had to go big for this occasion, so we're celebrating with a Too Faced 20 collection featuring our favorite throwbacks from 1998, reimagined with a modern 2018 twist. You guys are always asking me how we do the makeup for our campaign models, so I'm going to show you how we created our TF20 campaign look step by step. It's the ultimate birthday look, and I hope you love it. Let's get started. To make sure this look lasts all night, I'm going to apply shadow insurance, and then I'm going to sweep Gigi into the crease. Using the Oliver shadow brush, define the crease with Reality Star, then smudge into the lower lash line. To brighten the eye, press Ice Queen onto the lid and inside the lower lash line. Define the eyes with sketch marker in black, then define the inner waterline with the Perfect Eyes pencil in black. Finish off the eyes with a few coats of Better Than Birthday Sex mascara. Add a pretty flush to your cheeks with Sweetheart blush in There's Something About Berry. Next, I'm going to apply my favorite lipstick from the collection in the shade TF20. All right, gorgeous. I hope you feel like every day is your birthday.